got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
So, hello, I'm sorry. I'm back for another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome to my channel. Period. Woo. Guys, I need to stretch. You guys know I'm a hairstylist, so after this Valentine rush, your body goes woo. So in today's video, I have something special for you guys today, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm giving you guys that kind of just like that, and I don't give a damn, okay? I don't. Oh, child.
bitch, let me get you. He's about to come through, hopping in the shower.
Like, how do you do that? Like,
for about a whole hour. He finna act a dog in it, so he get the foul kitty.
Yeah, so I got this package, and yes, I'm being sponsored by Fenty Beauty, and then I like to try out their gloss, their lip gloss. Guys, I don't know if you guys know, look at my lips. It's, you know, it's a nice size, which means it needs to be lubricated and, you know, kept moist. Don't get funny ideas, but you guys know what I mean. So I was like, you know what? I always use lip balms like this. I have like 12 of them. I get them once a year. 12 or 36 of them, and I'll run out of it. And when I got this sponsorship, I was like, you know what? I'm ready for it. Let's see how it goes, okay? By Fenty Beauty, and I'll be trying, is it 2 or 3 of their stuff? I'm kidding. Guys, you're in trouble with me. Anyway, it's a lie. I got it myself. How are you guys doing? Are you guys just, you know, I know life is crazy, but I was like, I'm a very positive person, and I just have to keep, you know, sometimes it's not easy, but it is what it is. If I'm still breathing, have oxygen, and healthy, I'm doing me, you know. So, how was your Valentine? Let me know in the comments below if you guys had fun, or if you guys were hustling like me, doing people's hair so you can pay them bills. I got you. So here is a package. I'm not going to show you my address, okay? Oh, they still have their okay. From the warehouse, Fenty, Westchester. I thought it's from California. Okay, so this is the pack. Oh, what type of package is this? This looks like it's recycled. It has to be a recycled package. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Board, old newspapers and stuff. You guys saw that? Oh wow. Okay, I don't want to show you guys my address, honey, but you guys know I live in Massachusetts, right? Okay. Oh wow. I wasn't expecting, this is the first time I've ever had a package that comes out with all of that. Okay. So it comes this way. So if you guys are looking for a nice lip balm, lip gloss, I decided let me check this for you guys. So you guys know I am not wealthy. I don't have it like that. So I had to save up a long time and bought this. So now let's see. Okay. Oh my god. Let me see. I don't want to show. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'm loving this receipt. It's so elegant, bitches. So I got the hint FB4047, which is also known as the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. You see, because I feel the other one wants out a lot, so I want to find something that is just one. It's more a little bit more expensive. It's $18 for the lip balm and $19 for the gloss balm. Okay, the glass slipper. FB5016. Bam. Let's see. I love the logo, the Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin being like a juxtapose. Yes, I'm giving you guys that kind of. I'm educated. Sometimes it comes out, it slips out. Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Fragrance on another level, loving how you smelling.
bitch, do whatever you want to do. Period.
Only other question, when is me and you gon' get together? I'm just saying. Diamonds don't reflect when I'm talking about what up.
So yes, let's see. Okay, the shipping, the sales tax, of course. Every American gets used to, you have to get used to taxes. The sales tax is 2.31. Pennsylvania does not have that though. I'm so happy for them. So I will check out this is what it comes in. I'll be giving you guys I'm stupid, I'm sorry. Lord have mercy. Oh, it's is a lip balm. Okay, honey, let's try this on. You see the logo there? Oh, okay. Oh, I thought I would pocket like, you know how I do the other one. So this one I have, I'll just go this way. Let me show you guys how I use my lip balm. It's a lip balm, so I just open the tube like this and ever so gently, you see. Yeah, when you use lip balms and lip gloss, or with having this level of lips, yeah, you know how to pop some lip balm on and do the. I see some people like, I'm like, what the? I use it summer, winter, spring, fall, all because my lips need lubrication. Oh, this comes. Oh, it's giving me the sensation of a lip gloss. Okay, let's see. How does it look? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, okay. Oh, you just need a little. Oh my god, the smell? Honey, you can lick it. You can lick it. Yeah. It smells so nice. I don't know what to call this smell. It's not overpowering. It's just that kind of, you know. If a strawberry kiss has a scent or something, that's how it smells. If you ever imagined what kissing smells like, with clean lips and all, but very sensual kiss, what a sensual kiss would smell like, this is it. Oh, honey. Ooh, I don't know what. Oh, yes. If sensual kiss has a smell, this will be it. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, poor kiss. Yup. Oh, there we aren't kidding. Okay, now. Okay, distributed by Kendo, San Francisco. Okay, made in the US. San Francisco is how many hours from here? Let's. Ooh, I love the smell and I love the size. For $18, I know that's gonna. Guys, you just use little. Stretch it into a year, okay? Don't pack it up, honey. When you don't have it like that, you stretch that dollar. Okay, let's see this. The Universal Lip Luminizer. Ooh, it's gonna add shine. Oh, bitch! Did you guys see the box? Honey, this is $19 and I know why. This would last a long time. Okay, I love the cuteness. Oh, it's 0.3 ounces. Oh, it looks like a lipstick, but it's not. Then it looks like a luxurious lip gloss. Ah, okay, she wasn't playing. Oh, you saw that, right? Ah, you just need little. How does my lips look? Let me know. I feel like Betty is here, my dog, our dog, and I was doing about the mooch. Oh, she'll be happy now. And about the mooch. At least my lips does not look dry. It looks. I wish I could see it. I don't have a mirror. You guys, let me know in the comments below. Does it look, or does it look? Nah. You know, there is a difference when you put in. Guys, everyone should get this. I'm not sponsored by Fenty Beauty, but I was like, you know what? You know, Beyonce, she's Beyonce, and I said, okay, I have to see her product.
I don't know if you could take it.
I don't know where to start.
No, you wanna see me naked.
This is the first. Guys, this smell. This smells like S&M kiss. If S&M kissing has a smell, an erotic kiss, this is what it will smell like. My lips now feels very expensive and luscious, like it's ready to be kissed. You know when you put something on and your lips is ready to be kissed and you want someone to lick your lips off? If you want that, or you're going on a date or stuff, like a Valentine date, yes, please get this. The Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer. And they have the colorless one and they have the one with color. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is $19, but you guys, I saved up to get this. I got this a while back, but I had not checked it out. When did I get this? This was, oh my god, last year? Last year November, bitches, or October. You see what I'm saying? Save, buy it and keep it. Yep. Guys, what do I think? This is definitely a bop for me. Oh yes, I would recommend this for anyone. I'm not even saying it because no, bitch, I wasn't sponsored, and not because she's of color. That nope. This, oh my god, how does my lips look? Let me know in the comments. It looks it feels, my lips feel so expensive, and I don't feel like I have to keep rubbing. It will dry out and I rub. No, this looks like it will last a long time. And when I'm drinking, sipping, I'll just do like, you know, when I'm to drink or something, you know. And I don't think, okay, it can, yeah. So you have to, if you're drinking, just put your straw or something, or drink the water like this, so that way it just goes into your mouth, okay? But this, every bitch, every queen, and every boss have to have that. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, Fenty, I had never checked your product, but I approve this. For someone like me to buy this, oh yes, I will stop buying the other one I have. Okay, you guys have got me. You've gotten a new customer, and guys, go check it out. I will put the link in the comments below. If I have it, I've forgotten where. I'll find the link. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video from Saturday and Outside Studios. Bye, guys. Wow, my lips. No, my lips must be. Oh, I'm looking at the ref. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, I'm looking at the ref finder. Oh yes. Ooh, I cannot see. I don't have a mirror. Okay.
Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you never could.